Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to convert methanol to ethanol and ethanol to methanol. Well, you know that this is methanol and we are going to convert methanol to ethanol and ethanol to methanol, right? So at first we will convert from methanol to ethanol, right? Well, our target compound is methanol and we have to increase one carbon, right? So to increase one carbon we have to make ethanol anyhow methyl cyanide, right? So you know that from methanol to methyl cyanide there will be one more carbon, right? So in case of increasing number of carbon in chain, our mother compound is alkyl halide, right? So anyhow we have to convert methanol to methyl chloride. So if you add potassium pentachloride to ethanol, then this OH will be replaced by chlorine, right? So and this is methyl chloride, and if you add here potassium cyanide, then this chlorine will be replaced by cyanidine, so we'll get ethyl nitrile, right? Ethane nitrile. So if you reduce this ethane nitrile by lithium aluminum hydride, then this cyanide radical will be reduced to 1 degree amine, right? That is, this is ethylamine. Well, and if you add here nitrous acid, right, then this amino group will be converted to OH group, right? And you will get ethanol. And every step you have to practice in writing, and this will help your memory to remember this process. I hope you will be able to convert from methanol to ethanol. Well, now we'll see how to convert ethanol to methanol. In this case we have to deduct one carbon. That's why anyhow we have to make this compound to amide, right? Amide compound. So how it is? This is ethanol, you know that this is ethanol, and if you oxidize by potassium dichromate in presence of acid, then you will get ethanoic acid. This is ethanoic acid. And if you add ammonia and then heat, if you heat, then you know that this hydrogen will add to the lone pair of nitrogen, and you will get at first ammonium ethanoate, and if you heat, then you will get ethanamide. That is, one OH will be replaced by NH2, right? Ethanamide. This is the okay, let me do. This is ethanamide, CH3OH, right? This is ethanamide. And now your target is to deduct one carbon here. So this carbonyl group will be deducted by sodium hydroxide and bromine, and we'll get methylamine, right? This is methylamine. So we see that one carbon has been deducted here, and this reaction is called Hofmann degradation. and you know that if you add here nitrous acid, then this NH2 will be converted to OH, that is you are getting methanol. So from ethanol you are getting methanol, and one carbon has been deducted here. Thank you for viewing this video. Be well.